That's why we think that maybe there's a great distance between our lives and their lives. Some of them, they were, if you can use such words, notorious individuals. Read about Khalid ibn Walid. Read about Umar ibn Khattab. Read about their lives. They were notorious. No one messed about with these individuals. No one got on the wrong side of Umar ibn Khattab. That's a reality. Read through his seerah. No one inside Jahiliyyah ever messed about with him. No one messed about with Khalid ibn Walid inside his life. Remember, Khalid ibn Walid was the only individual who was so intelligent, so smart. At the Battle of Uhud that we find, he was able to ambush and attack the Prophet ﷺ. He's the only individual who done that. No one ever came so close. Who marked his cheek, broke his canine tooth, hit him on his shoulder, even after wearing 2 shields of armor. The Prophet ﷺ said, I felt that pain for a month. He fell inside a ditch. That's what Khalid ibn Walid was. But when he became a Muslim, look at his remorse. He said that when he's dying on his deathbed, he said that every single time I'd done that, what I'd done inside my life, I went to make up for it. That's why every single battle, who was at the forefront. And the only reason Umar al-Khattab changed him inside battle is that people won't become overconfident. He removed Khalid ibn Walid. He sent him a letter, said, make Khalid ibn Walid step down from being the leader. Khalid ibn Walid didn't stuff the letter inside his pocket and say, look, let me carry on. I'm the leader, ego. I'm the one who fights. I'm the one that victory comes by me. He didn't do that. He just stepped down. As I said, even amongst our Muslims, that's what we have. It's a cause of ego. That I, as a Muslim, I'm better than this other individual. Look how many young Muslims, when they start practicing their faith, they look down upon another Muslim. You know, some Muslims, 3-4 months practicing a Muslim, 3 years, 4 years, walk around telling, oh, this Imam's like this person like this, he's like that, he's like that. What Islam have you learned? What have you learned inside your life? Know your distinction, know your rank, and stick to that. Don't bother about other people, what takes place inside their life. Rather, this opens up sins for the individual. Islam is vast and open. For Tawbah, the companion used to be known for drinking alcohol. Companions abused him. He was drinking alcohol, they used to abuse him. What did the Prophet say? Leave him alone. He loves Allah and His Messenger. Who are you to question him? He loves Allah and His Messenger. That's a trial, a temptation that he's going through. That you need to overlook this individual. So our task and our role isn't to be harsh individuals towards individuals in that sense. It's trying to be abstract towards people to help them to feel comfortable. That to make tawbah, to return back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And those of us, an average individual, always remember of this journey of the concept of maut to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Remind ourselves every single day, a person has what's known as ilmul muhasabah. A concept of accountability. To sit down and to count my deeds. To count my day, count my actions. What did I do today? What did I do that made me come closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? What derailed me away from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is how every single individual should be living their life when they get towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.